everybody. My name's Rob Anderson. I'm an illusionist here on the Las Vegas Strip. I just met Levanta and Nicolata. They came all the way from Hungary to see my magic show. Now we're gonna do a little bit of magic for them tonight. And they're a couple. They're dating, yes? You're on a date tonight?
Yes.
And how long have you been together?
More than 6 years.
Oh, that's great. 6 years. That's very good. So 6 years ago, some first dates. Yes, you held hands.
Yes.
Realized you liked each other.
Yes.
I want to take you back to those first dates with our first trick, okay? So in a moment, you're going to hold hands, but first, Levanta, I'm gonna have you take one hand like this, okay? Nicolata, could you have one hand like this? Perfect. I'm going to have one card like this, the 2 of clubs. The 2 of clubs, I'll hand that to you, Levanta. I'll put that there. You're going to come here and holding hands, perfect, just like on those first dates, yes? I've got another card. I'm going to use the 9 of hearts. We've got the 9 of hearts there. That's a better card for you to have. I just want you to tell me, did you feel that? Yes, did you feel that?
Yes.
Did you feel that?
Oh.
Look.
No way.
The hearts.
Wow.
The hearts. For a good couple, very good couple.
Wow.
All right, let's do another. I made a prediction. I predicted that I would meet a couple tonight, very compatible, very good couple. I have 4 queens right here. Now I made a prediction on these queens, okay? I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand. So Nicolata, could you hold these just like I have them like this? Perfect. Hold just like that, great. Just so they don't move, perfect, freeze. Now this is a 2-part trick. It has to do with your compatibility together. You'll do great.
Okay.
Just think, you're first, just think about the cards. It's gonna be queens, hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. 2 red, 2 black. Now Levanta just chose the red cards, hearts and diamonds. You can have either one. Do you want heart or diamond?
Diamond.
Diamond, girl's best friend. That's a hint, I think. Look, diamonds. I predicted you two would actually say the queen of diamonds, so I turned the diamond over for you two.
Wow.
From a different deck of cards, I was that sure. Look, I knew we would need the diamond. I knew you'd be so compatible that we actually wouldn't need any other cards at all. That's all I brought.
No way.
Good couple, very good couple.
Wow, that's fantastic.
You guys are going to, thank you. Let's do one more. Thank you very much. I want you to think of a time when you felt happy with Levanta, okay? Just think of a time when you felt happy. So you're thinking of a time 1 through 12 o'clock when you felt happy with him. Just thinking of the number, okay? 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Again, 12 is right here, 1 through 12. I'm going to try to figure out which number you are thinking of right now. Got a fork I stole from dinner earlier. Don't tell Bellagio I took their fork. I'm going to lay it like an hour hand at a number that I think you're thinking of right now. I'm going to lay this fork down here at 6. No. Close. Watch the fork. Watch.
No way.
7.
Wow.
Look. No strings. Look, no strings. No. It's okay. Yes. No strings.
Yeah,
Look.
it's okay.
None of the other cards except that 7 o'clock card matters. That 7 o'clock card represents a happy memory that you shared. I will leave the 7 o'clock card with you. I'll take this. The 7 o'clock card is a souvenir. I'll leave it with you, okay? Let's look at what it is. Oh, that's good. That's a good card.
Oh my God.
When you're ready, you can show Nicolata the card, okay?
I'm ready. As a hat Gel Oğuzhan. Oğuzhan diyoruz. Böyle şey. Oğuzhan diyoruz.
Inádlak. Ó, Istenem.
Ez a tiéd. Hozzám jössz? Hozzám jössz? Imádlak, nagyon imádlak.
Ami.
Ne imádlak, nagyon imádlak. A feleségem.
Hey, it's Rob, and I wanted to let you know that our DIY proposal kits, they contain every romantic thing you need to stage your own proposal. They're now shipping at magicalproposals.com. Go check them out.